Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to another PyQt5 tutorial video. My name is Jay. In this lesson, I'll be showing you how to change QListWidget item text color. So here, let me give you a quick demo on what we're doing in this exercise. So what we're doing in this exercise is we'll create 4 items inside a QListWidget. And we're going to create a condition that if this condition is met, then we're going to change the text font color to red. And that's it. Alright, so let me close this window. Here, let me insert my my template. So here from this template, I import a system module. From the QT-widgets module, I import a QApplication class, QWidget class. We also need to import QListWidget class, QListWidget item, and that's it. And from the Qt core module, I'm going to import a Qt class. And here's my app demo class, and within this app demo class, I resize the window to 1200 by 800, and here's my main routine. And here I'm going to increase my font size using the setStyleSheet method. I'll set the font size to 35 pixel. Actually, let's do 50. Next, I need to create my my arrays. I'm going to create a list, and I'm going to name this list colors. So I'm going to insert 4 colors: blue, yellow, green, and purple. And next, I want to insert my conditions. And I'm going to insert a list object, and inside this list object is going to be my conditions. So I'm going to manually set the condition either true or false. Alright, so here I need to rearray each element within these 2 lists. And here I can use the zip function to zip these 2 lists together. Actually, this should be color, not sheets. Colors and to color. So I can say that for color and condition in zip with colors and to colors lists. And I'm going to create my QListWidget item. I'll pass the color name. So here we can see that if condition is true, then we can take the item object. We'll set the foreground using the setForeground method. And here we can insert a color that we want to apply. So I'm going to color the text to red. And once that is done, so I can add the item to the list widget. So add item. I'll insert the item object. And here I need to change the parent object from QWidget to QListWidget. So technically, I don't even need to supply the QWidget class, and just like that. Alright, so if I launch the window, and based on my conditions, right, the first condition is true, so therefore we're changing the color to red, and the other 2 colors, which are yellow and green, and those 2 items they do not meet the criteria, so therefore we're not changing the text color. Alright, so this is everything I want to share in this video, and hopefully you guys found the video useful. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.